Hey everyone, so I'm gonna get right to the point here. I know jet skis are gonna get scratched, WaveRunners, whatever, but I wanted to see if I could prevent it a little bit. So I ordered some of that 3M clear wrap from Amazon. It's about 20 bucks for 6 feet. That's about 6 inches wide. So you'll see the 2 strips I got here, and it's already done its job, so I want to replace that piece. So here's the line. Comes right down here. You can barely even tell. It actually came out a lot better than I thought it would. And I also have a piece here on the side. So this one I did a really terrible job, but this was kind of just a test. So you can see the line there. To look really closely. I did 2 pieces. So there you go. It's holding up pretty well. I've had it on for about a month now or so. To take it off, you just grab a heat gun and peel it off. It's nothing really much to it. But yeah, I plan on doing small pieces, probably along the sides. My biggest concern is when I'm docking or if a relative is docking it, they don't pay attention as much. So hopefully can prevent some of the scratches, like this one here that I've already done. So I gotta touch that up. But yeah, just make sure you clean it off really good. I don't see it's any different as putting it on a front bumper of your car.